But like I said, he is very susceptible. He gets pneumonia easily. Sobrang hina ng immune system niya, kaya konting nakakakuha siya kaagad ng pneumonia.
Kaya mahigpit pa rin kayo sa mga bisita?
Yes, mahigpit pa rin kami. That's why nga, if ever we transfer him to a regular room, ang advice talaga ng mga doktor, as much as possible, family lang muna. Dahil nga sa sobrang susceptible sa kanya ng virus.
Did the doctors give a timeline kung kailan pwede nang umuwi?
Wala pa, but at least we're taking it one step at a time. Because at least it's for the doctors to say na pwede na siyang ilipat sa regular room. That's all good news from the doctors to the family. Lahat kami parang okay. Yun lang kasi parang syempre gusto lang namin makasigurado na pwede na namin siya talagang ilipat. And then kung kailangan nila, kung pwede na siyang umuwi, i-clear naman ng doctor yan. Pag pwede na siyang umuwi, iuwi namin siya.
It must be very frustrating for you to see your dad with a tumor on his throat, not being able to speak.
It can be. I mean, I think it will be. It's something that we all have to accept.
How long siya awake? From time to time ba natutulog?
From time to time natutulog pa siya. Kasi kailangan pa rin niya talaga magpahinga. Although, mas awake siya ngayon, mas lucid, mas nakakausap mo. Like, it started Wednesday night when he became lucid. Tapos, paano yan. This time talaga nakikipag-usap na siya. Yeah. So, even during dialysis, even during transfusion, nakikipag-relate siya sa amin.
Have you told him about the clamor and for him to become national artist?
I think it might still be too much information for him.
Up to this point, ano ang alam niya sa pangyayari sa kanya?
Well, first thing, the other day he said, "Where am I?" So I guess he's not really, he knows. I think, knowing my dad, alam niya na sinabi namin na nasa ICU siya. At pagka nakikita niya yung mga doktor niya, meron nga kaming isang doktor na yung surgeon. Alam niya yun, kilala niya yun eh. Nung makita niya yung surgeon na pumasok, sabi ng daddy ko talaga, parang sort of saying, may gagawin ka ba sa akin? O operahan mo ba ako? So parang ganun. Parang ganun yung expression ng mukha niya. And nakita namin ni Shasha, kaya nung gumanon yung mukha niya, uy, kilala ko tong doktor na to So, and then he knows his doctors. Na-acknowledge niya yung mga doctors siya. Lahat.
So madalas na talaga siyang gising, sir?
Yes. And we were all, ang isa pa namin kinakatakot was yung brain function ng daddy ko. But because of the metabolic encephalopathy, so when they cleared that, nung sinabi ng mga doktor that because he's like responding, he's nodding, he's saying, he's mouthing words, they cleared him out of that. So remember when the first time I announced it, I said that because he was having mini seizures, may gumagano na siya yung mga seizures na maliliit So napalaki it was becoming frequent. Tapos nung nagkaroon ng mga dialysis, mga ganyan, kumbaga parang nawawala yung mga toxins slowly. And then slowly naging less yung frequency ng seizures. Ngayon, as in totally walang seizures. Wala na yung mga seizures. So the doctors have ruled that out. So that's why from the time that they told us to be prepared, for what was going to happen to now is like, kumbaga parang kaming lahat, the Quezon family were all like parang isang malaking, this is a relief for all of us. Kumbaga isang ngayon nakakahinga kami, nakaka-smile kami, nakakatawa na kami. At ang maganda lang din kasi parang pati yung daddy ko, he smiles na rin. So, yun. That's it. So, any more questions?
Too early to ask, but you have any plans or any special preparations in the house if ever it becomes home by next?
Hindi pa namin napag-uusapan yan because it was just only today that the doctor said that maybe next week, we'll transfer him to a regular room. So, like I said, we're taking it one step at a time. On a daily basis nga, kung ano yung magiging improvement niya. And if he progresses like this, then, of course, we'll probably have something. Pagka lang, ang wino-worry nga lang namin is, pag nag-prepare naman kami ng isang malaking selebrasyon na gano'n, usually kasi nangyayari, may malaki kaming selebrasyon, dun siya nagkakasakit. Siguro pag natutuwa siya, inahalikan siya, bigla siya nagkakasakit. So, siguro definitely we will have something. If he goes back home, definitely we'll have something. Because we have a reason to celebrate. July 25, it's near. Yeah, it's 25 days. 26 days from now. Anong araw na ba ngayon? Nakalimutan ko na mga day. 29 na ba ngayon? 28. 29. Okay, 26 days. Wala pa. Kasi paano naman kami makakaplano? So, wala pa kaming plano. But I think we will plan something for his birthday.
Sir, are your brothers and sisters still complete here? They all came from the States?
Yes, everyone is still here.
Do they plan on staying for how much?
Of course, yung mga kapatid ko may mga trabaho din yan. Ano? That's why siguro ang mangyayari is we will see. Kasi like I said, some of them need to go back home. Kasi mahirap din mawala ng trabaho sa Amerika. So that's why we'll make sure na pag nagplano kami on a celebration or whatever, we'll make sure that everyone is still here.
Sir, kamusta yung pamilya natin? I know Rando was also very emotional just last week and maybe just ask mo ano yung naging personal na reaction na yung nakita niya.
Ni Vando, he's very happy. He was magkakasama kaming lahat kasi kaninang umaga. And si Vandolph yung kaninang umaga kanina, of course, nung nakita niya si Daddy na gano'n, naging emotional siya. But of course, at the same time, masaya siya because of the development of the good news. What? He is, yeah, but very minimal. Kasi nga...
Magandang hapon po. Ang inyo pong napanood ay ang press briefing mula sa Makati Medical Center tungkol sa kalagayan ng Comedy King na si Dolphy. Sinabi po ng kanyang anak na si Eric Quezon na sa ngayon ay mahina pa rin ang immune system ng kanyang ama. Kaya iniingatan na hindi bumalik ang pneumonia nito. Iniingatan din nila na hindi siya mahawa sa sakit ng iba kaya mahigpit na ini-screen yung mga bumibisita. Sa ngayon ay hindi pa raw cleared si Dolphy na umalis mula sa intensive care unit. Pero ang magandang balita raw ay hanggang sa mga oras na ito ay nagtatry daw si Dolphy na makipag-communicate sa kanyang pamilya.